watching this, you tuned in to another edition of The Best Rapper Under 21, which everyone knows will be Young Tay, the best rapper under 21. Need a haircut right now. I'm about to get my shit cut today. Fresh tee, white cut, fresh tee. I mean, I ain't got the haircut though, but it's still a fresh tee though, and got some blue basketball shorts on. Okay, ass shit, but so let's go. Little ghetto boy.
Little ghetto boy, playing in the ghetto street. What you gonna do when you grow up and have to face responsibility?
Yeah, this is my life right here. I'm a little ghetto boy.
What you gonna do when you grow up and have to face responsibility?
I don't know what I'ma do yet. I be trying to ball, but that ain't through yet. I'm trying to get success, like right now. So I'ma do this rapping shit, like right now. This gang shit, that's just another life for me. That blood shit, yeah, that's right for me. And I fit in with that gangster swag. And my swag is amazing, and she loving the swag. But I'm kinda ghetto, that's what they say. But I am from the O, so watch what you say. Cause them guns, they come quick, and them niggas, they snitch quick where I'm from. But I ain't snitching, nigga, no, I ain't snitching. Keep my mouth closed, you niggas be rats. I cut the tail off the rat, nigga, yes, that's a fact, I'm a G. Nigga, please, you don't know me. I'm a young G, nigga, yes, you don't know me.
What you gonna do when you grow up and have to face responsibility?
All this is off the top of the head too. No writing, nothing. It's freestyling. All this is freestyling. I'm just ballin', wildin', Chris Paulin. Niggas fucking with the kid, nigga get popped up real quick, and you gon' fall. Niggas talk about Tay, and they know I'm ball. Sell weed, sell crack, I'm just trying to get the money. Nigga talk about me, how you talking? You bummy. Nigga, I'm the shit. Where the money at? Nigga, throw your hands up. Yes, that's a fact. I'm a blood, I'm a G. Nigga, don't fuck with me. Running through the streets like a ghetto boy at least. Nigga said, damn, 2 guns on his hip. Nigga, fuck with me. No, I don't slip. 2 fucking pistols. Aim them right at you. Beam on the pistol. Aim it straight at you. Living in these ghetto streets.
What you gonna do when you grow up?
This is Hillside. Hillside. Soldier ENT. And Bloods. Yes, okay, Soldier ENT. That be my new clique. If you fucking with the kid, get doing quick. And I cross you up and hooping. Easy. Nigga, fuck with me. That won't be easy. Rob you. Take your whole girl like easy. I can take any girl in the world if I want it. I can fuck it and I leave it, and I really don't want it. Most hoes, man, I don't really even want them. Damn, I be stunting. Damn, I be frontin'. I be lying to these hoes. Tell them that I love them. Except a couple hoes. Y'all know that I love you. But they not hoes. Them must be girls. Damn, messed up the flow, but I'm coming right back. Coming back like Jordan. Nigga, fuck with me. Nigga, know I be sporting. Living in these ghetto streets. What y'all in Texas know about that ghetto street? I'm a G. I'm a real true G though. I'm a G. And shit else to say. I'm always in the trap. I'm always in the hood.